Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Creative Investment Concepts. For over 20 years, we've shown beginners just like you how to make money in real estate. And we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau in customer satisfaction. We will work with you one-on-one, walking you through every deal from start to finish. The whole goal is when we flip a property together, we share in the profits. Typically, profits are $15,000 to $25,000 per deal. Because we make money when you do, we have the motivation to help you flip as many properties as you want and squeeze as much profit out of each and every deal. It doesn't matter if you have $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more to start with. We structure a personal business plan for each and every client based on your motivation, goals, and financial situation. Looking to supplement your income, or better yet, replace your current income? We can show you how by working just 5 to 10 hours a week with an investor one-on-one that has over 20 years of experience investing in real estate. We can help you meet and exceed your dreams. With our experience, we know what works and what doesn't work, so you won't waste time and effort reinventing the wheel. But what little time you can put towards this weekly will be extremely productive. Due to the demand and limited availability to work with an investor, contact us now to find out more information. You can speak directly to the investor you would have an opportunity to work with, so you can ask questions about the real estate opportunities in your area. Thank you for visiting Creative Investment Concepts.